everyone and welcome to Ira Tutorials. I'm Aarti Naik and today I'm going to teach you class 9 subject Sanskrit term 2 Sukti Sudha, that means nectar of good sayings. That means here we are going to see some verses which are having good meanings. Okay, some good sayings are there which are useful to us. So again this lesson is कंठस्थी कारणार्थम, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू ओनली लर्न, आपको ये सिर्फ लर्न करना है, इसमें कोई सवाल जवाब नहीं है, और सवाल जवाब है लेकिन ये आपको लर्न भी करना है. ओके, सो कोई किसी भी श्लोक का मीनिंग आपको पूछा जा सकता है या सिमिलर वर्ड्स पूछे जा सकते हैं, अपोजिट वर्ड्स पूछे जा सकते हैं. ये कंठस्थी कारणार्थम है. अगर केवल कंठस्थी कारणार्थम होता तो सिर्फ लर्न करने के लिए होता, लेकिन ये आपको लर्न भी करना है, पढ़ना भी है और इस पे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वर्सेस. न चोरहार्य न च राजहार्य. न चोरहार्य मतलब क्या, जिसे चोर भी नहीं लेके जा सकता. न च राजहार्य मतलब जिससे कोई राजा भी आपसे नहीं ले सकता. न भातृभाज्यम. भ्रातृभाज्यम मीन्स व्हाट, कि अगर आपकी कोई प्रॉपर्टी है जिसमें आप दैट मीन्स इन दैट यू नीड टू गिव योर सम शेयर टू योर, यू आर गोइंग टू शेयर इट विद योर सिबलिंग्स, योर ब्रदर और सिस्टर. मतलब ये चीज़ जो है वो आपको किसी के साथ शेयर भी नहीं करनी है. शेयर भी नहीं करनी मतलब किसी का राइट नहीं है इसके ऊपर, आपका ही राइट है. नची भार कारणी मतलब जो अगर हमारे साथ हो तो जिसका हमें भार भी नहीं लगता, मीन्स इट डज नॉट हैव एनी वेट. व्यय कृते वर्धतः. व्यय मतलब जितना आप यूज़ करोगे ये चीज़ उतनी ही वो बढ़ती जाएगी. एव नित्यम विद्याधनम मतलब हम ये जो भी बात कर रहे हैं ये विद्याधन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. That means your knowledge. No thief can take your knowledge from you. No king can take your knowledge from you. You need not have to share or divide your knowledge and give a part to your knowledge to your brother also, and which does not have any weight also. And when we are using it, that means when we are sharing, we are giving our knowledge to others, it goes on increasing. And that's why eva nityam vidyadhanam sarvadhanam pradhanam means whichever wealth we are having, in that at the topmost, pradhan means at the topmost position, which wealth is there, that is our knowledge. Let us see translation in English. So here are the difficult words are given. Okay, haryam, then bhatrubhajyam, that means bhatrushu bhajyam, then to be divided among brothers. Bharkari means burdensome. Vayekrute, when spent. Nityam means always. Vardhate means vardha. Pradhanam means excellent. Okay, so let us see the translation. The wealth of knowledge is the best of wealth. It cannot be stolen by thieves, nor can be taken away by the king. It cannot be divided among the brothers, nor does it weigh on one as a burden. And that is the chief of the wealth, that is, it is the best wealth, that is the knowledge. Okay, second, तो ये चीज़ें ऐसी है जिसे हम कह सकते हैं कि हम इसमें से बहुत सारा सीखते हैं कि सबसे श्रेष्ठ धन क्या है, तो विद्याधन सबसे श्रेष्ठ है. नेक्स्ट, अयम नीजः परो वेति गणना लघु चेतसाम. अयम नीजः परो वेति गणना लघु चेतसाम उदारचरितानां तु वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम. उदारचरितानां तु वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम. इसका मीनिंग है कि दिस इज माई ओन एंड दिस इज अ स्ट्रेंजर. सच इज द कंसिडरेशन of narrow-minded persons, but for the broad-minded persons the whole world is a family. Now see here, you can see Nij means when we are saying this is my. Are we going to carry it with us after death? No, it belongs to everyone. So whenever we are people, those who are thinking that which is my or some person is a stranger, this type of people are having narrow minded thinking. But if you think that everyone is belong to me and all the things should be divided amongst all, then you will be considered as a broad minded person. And broad minded people always think that the whole world is a family. नेक्स्ट, परोपकाराय फलंती वृक्षाः परोपकाराय वहंती नद्याः। मतलब आप देखोगे तो परोपकार मतलब दूसरे के यूज़ के लिए ही वृक्ष होता है। दैट मीन्स ट्रीज आर फॉर वेलफेयर ऑफ अदर्स ओनली। परोपकाराय वहंती नद्यः मतलब नदी दूसरों के लिए ही बहती है। नदी अपने खुद के लिए कुछ करती है क्या? वो बहती है, लोगों को पानी देती है। परोपकाराय दुहंती गावः मतलब परोपकार के लिए ही गाय दूध देती है। परोपकारार्थम इदम शरीरम, तो मेरा शरीर भी परोपकार करने के लिए है। मतलब हम जब कभी दूसरों के काम आते हैं तभी हम अच्छे होते हैं। मतलब हमें सिर्फ हमारे लिए ही नहीं सोचना चाहिए। नेवर एवर ट्राई टू बिकम अ सेल्फिश पर्सन but always try to help others. So let us see meaning. Falante means phala, vahanti means vah, that means bahna. Then let us see translation. Trees yield fruit for the sake of others. Have you ever seen that tree is eating his own fruit? No. So trees yield fruits for the sake of others. Rivers flow for the sake of others. Cows give milk for the sake of others. Similarly, this body, that means body of mine, is meant for doing good to others. That means we are sent to the earth for doing good to others, and everyone has to keep this in mind that we are sent by God on this earth only for doing good to others. Okay, next. नेक्स्ट, जायम धियो हरति सिंचति वाची सत्यम मानोन्नति देशति पापमपाकरोति चित्तं प्रसादयति दिक्षु तनोति कीर्तिः सत्संगतिः कथय किं न करोति पुंसां। its meaning is the company of the good people removes the dullness of intellect. Sparkling, truth over speech, increases respect, removes sins, and pleases mind and spread fame in all direction. Tell me that what the company of good people does not do. That means if you spend your time with a good people, okay, that means satsangati, that means if you spend your good time with good people, if you spend your time in a company of a good people, so what these good people are doing, they removes the dullness of intellect. That means if you have any doubts in your mind, these people are making these doubts clear. Sparkling truth over speech, that means they always teaches us to speak truth. They removes all sins or bad things within us. They pleases mind, that means if we spend time with the company of good people, it gives us pleasure and spreads fame in all direction. So it makes us successful in our life. Tell me what the company of good people does not do. That means company of good people do, or it did all good things, and that's why you have to be always in the company of a good people. Okay, next, यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमते तत्र देवताः, मीन्स जहाँ पे नारी की पूजा होती है वहीं पे भगवान का वास होता है. Means where you will find that women are getting respect, at that place only God is always present. यत्रे तास्तु न पूज्यन्ते सर्वास्त्र फलाः क्रियाः. That means deities live happily where women are worshipped. That means God always lives there happily where women are worshipped or respected. Where they are not worshipped, all the enterprises are fruitless. That means whatever you are doing, it does not have any value. God will never acknowledge it. So if you want success, if you want everything should be done happily, then you have to respect woman. Then only you can get success in your life. So that is all about the 5 verses. Now let us see question and answers of this lesson. So ekavakyena uttaratah means you have to answer this in one sentence. केहे धनम न हिर्यते, चोरेहे dhanam na hiryate. Chorehe, that means kehe dhanam, that means here we are talking about the vidya, that means knowledge. So कौन हमसे विद्या नहीं छीन सकता? चोरेहे धनम न हिर्यते. केषु धनम न विभज्यते, भातृषु dhanam na vibhajyate. That means you cannot divide your knowledge with your brother. Next, in this question you have to translate it Madhyam Bhashayah Uttaratah. Now you are learning in English medium school, so you have to translate it, answer it in English only. So, Vidyadhanam Vai Krutah Kartha Vardhate. That means if you are using knowledge, how it will increase? If we spend money, it becomes less. It does not grow. But it is not the case with Vidyadhanam. If we make use of our knowledge or teach it to others, our knowledge does not diminish. No, on the other hand, it increases. We come to know something new about it every time we share it with others. Now try. If you suppose you are knowing something, if you are teaching it to other person, definitely your knowledge will increase. It will never decrease. Therefore, it is said that teaching is the best way of learning. So, teaching is the best way of learning. That means how many times you are going to teach, all the times you are going to learn something new. Now, next question. Samanarthak shabdam likhitah. That means here you are going to write down the words which are having the similar meaning. Okay, Samanarthi means similar meanings or synonyms. First is chorah. चोरः स्तेनः. समानार्थी शब्द चोरः स्तेनः. नित्यं सततं. धनं वित्तं. वृक्षः पादपाः. वृक्षः पादपाः. देन बार भरः. विद्या ज्ञानम. What is similar word to vidya? Jnanam. Then similar word to pradhanam. Pradhanam means sreshtham. Pradhanam means sreshtham. Then nadyah saritah. And last is shariram. Shariram means deha. Deha. That means body. Okay. Next. विरुद्धार्थः क शब्दम लिखितः. That means here you are going to write down opposite. व्यय संचयः. व्यय means to use, संचय means to save. प्रधानम गौणम. परः निजः. नित्यम अनित्यम. उपकाराः अपकाराः. Now sandhi kurutah. When we are combining two words, it becomes a new word. Okay. So vardhata evah. That means vardhate plus evah. Paro vetihi. Parah plus va plus iti. Vasudhaiva. Vasudha plus eva. Vasudha means universe or earth. सर्वधनप्रधानं किम्? विद्याधनं सर्वधनप्रधानम्। अयं नीचः अयं परः इति केषा गणना? अयं नीचः अयं परः इति लघुचेतसां गणनाः। That means narrow-minded people only think that this is mine, that is yours. केषां कृते वसुधा एवं कुटुम्बकं भवति? उदारचरितानां कृते वसुधा एव कुटुम्बकं भवति. That means those who are saying that which people can say that whole world is my family. Udaracharitanam, that means broad minded people can only say this. Next, madhyama bhashayaha उत्तरतः, again translate it in English. लघु चेतसः उदार चेतसः जना कथम अभिज्ञातव्याः. That means narrow minded persons think about themselves, their family or friends. They do not think of others. Their world or vision is limited. But broad minded ones treat the whole world as their family. That means Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. They are not selfish or self centered. We know the difference between the two by their behavior. Okay? Next, Stambha Melanam Kurutah. Now here A and A is given. You have to find out correct answers for A in A. So Sviya Nijah, Chintanam Ganana, Anyah Parah, Prithvi Vasudaha. Again in your medium you have to answer Paropkarah नाम कीमः के परोपकारमग्नाः. Paropkar means doing good to others. Trees, rivers and cow are engrossed in doing good to others. Trees yield fruits for the sake of others. Their trunk, leaves, flowers, fruits and shade are useful to us. Rivers flow and give water to us. Cows give milk to us. In the same way, we should work for others. Now, next question. Satsangatihi jivane kim kim karoti. That means if you live with the good people, which things you are going to get in your life? Many are the benefits of being in the company of good people. It makes our intellect sharp, speech truthful and mind free from sin. It increases our honor, spreads our fame everywhere. Moreover, it makes our mind happy. In short, our life is fulfilled. Next, Riktasthanam Purayatah. That means fill in the blanks. So let us see answer. Satsangatihi Dhiyah Jadyah Harati. Satsangatihi Vacha Satyam Sinchayati. Satsangatihi Manonlitam Dishatihi. Satsangatihi Papam Apakaroti. That means it removes. Satsangatihi Chittam Prasadayati. Next is Satsangatihi Diksha Kirtihi Tanoti. That means it spreads our fame in all direction. This already we have discussed. Okay, in one answer it remain. Paropkarayah Vrukshaha Kim Kurvanti. Paropkarayah Vrukshaha Phalanti. That means trees are giving us fruit. Paropkaraya nadyah kim kurvanti. To help others, what river is doing? Paropkaraya nadyah vahanti. That means river is flowing for others. Kaha paropkaraya duhanti. Gavah paropkaraya duhanti. Shariram kimartham. Paropkarartha shariram. That means our body is to help others. Devataha kutra ramyante. यत्र नार्य पूज्यन्ते तत्र देवताः रम्यन्ते। क्रियाः कुत्र अफलाः भवन्ति? यत्र नार्य न पूज्यन्ति तत्र क्रिया अफला भवन्ति. That means where women are not respected, their work is fruitless. संधि विग्रह नार्यस्तु is equal to नार्यः plus 2. यत्रेताः यत्र plus एताः एतास्तु एताः plus 2. तत्राफलाः is equal to तत्र plus अफलाः. सर्वास्तत्र सर्वाः प्लस तत्र. परोपकारार्थमिदं परोपकारार्थम प्लस इदम. So that was sandhi. Next, translate it into your mother tongue. Mother tongue not medium. यत्र नार्य पूज्यन्ति इति सूक्तिः श्लोकस्य आधारेण स्पष्टीकृतः. That means you have to give explanation to it. Women should be respected. Where they are not respected, all the enterprises fail. Nowadays, very few people believe in deities, but if deities are taken as a symbol of good things, the verse is more relevant. Women are mothers, sisters, and wives. If they are respected, society will surely benefit. Next question is related to Amarkosh. That is Nari ityartham Amarkoshah panktim likitah. Now what is Amarkosh? Amarkosh is the words derived from Sanskrit. The word Amar means immortal and Kosha means treasure. That means like dictionary. Okay. So Amarkosh is a dictionary in which all the words are Sanskrit words are stored, which are original. Okay. So in that the actual name of the book is Namalinga Sahashunam. That means instruction concerning nouns and gender. So this book is related to the grammar. Narasimha is said to have been one of the Navratnas at the court of Vikramaditya, the legendary king inspired by Chandragupta II, a Gupta king who reigned around AD 4000. Some sources indicated that he belongs to the period of Vikramaditya of 7th century. And Mishi examines the questions and date composition of Amarkosh. That means Amarkosh was developed thousands of years back, and that is the history of Amarkosh. He finds the first reliable mention in Amugaha Vritti of Shakatayanaha, composed during the regime of Amogha Now, Nari ityartham Amarkosha pankti likhata. So let us see Nari here. You can see here Nari, Stri, Yoshidangna Yosha Nari Simanti Vaduhu. That means here about Nari is given in Amarkosha, in that is dictionary of Sanskrit. Nari is described like this, and this Nari is described with these different words, that is Stri, Yoshite, Angana, Yosha, Nari, Simantini and Vadu. Okay. So that is all about this lesson. If you have any queries, write down in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and also inform your friends about this. Thank you.